Hello guys, today we are going to study the lesson 14, which is about bearish rectangle. So this lesson is important, so I will show you step by steps. So this chart is happen on sideways. See, sideways. What is sideways? Sideways. Let me check snapping tool. So sideways is the chart which is happen like this. Like this, the two lines is equal. It can be sideways like this, or it can be sideways in uh, uptrend, sideways in downtrend. This also called sideways. But our lesson is happen on sideways like this, not sideways in uptrend or sideways in downtrend. Okay, so this is we call it sideways. Why? Let me explain you. Okay, so it happen on downtrend here, and here it can be checkpoint, up here checkpoint, down again. It's becoming support here. This line is support. Okay, go up here, not yet. Okay, go up here, becoming resistance. So this line is resistance, and this line is support. So see, so our chart is happen on the between this line. Sorry, happen on this line. So we call it sideways. Yeah, sideways. And how to use it? So this bearish rectangle is important because we use it to know where to start buy again. Okay. Okay, so we know that this trend is sideways, and we measure from here, drawing rectangle from here to here, and pass it because it break here. It break here. Yeah, it break. So copy this one and pass it here, and you know that where to buy it's next. It here, yeah, to buy it here. But if you buy in the deep example, you buy it here, it's still down here. So wait to buy it here. Yeah. Or you can use OCO at this line. Okay. Okay, that's simple. And also at this line, it's confirmed by MA and EMA because EMA because MA 50 is below EMA 20, meaning that it confirmed with the chart. So this is the point that we buy. Yeah, 0.00882 with time frame 1 hour. So you can buy at this point. Yeah, buy at this point, or wait to come it buy it here also because you wanna confirm by EMA and MA confirm because it confirmed here. MA 50 is below EMA 20 here, so you can buy here also. So that's how we can use lesson 14, which is about bearish rectangle. That's all. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe for the next lesson. Bye bye.